Okay, so hello and welcome back. So, in this series of solving the PICO CTF challenges, we have already solved six challenges as you can see. So, if you want to solve these challenges, you can go and check out the playlist which I have separately created for solving the PICO CTF challenge. So today we'll be solving the forensics challenge, which is called as Disco 1 from the easy section, as we are currently solving all the easy tasks. So let's read the description. So it says that can you find the flag in this disk image? Okay, download the disk image here. So you can click here, it will start the downloading. Okay, so now what do you understand by the disk image? Just we'll get a basic understanding. So it's nothing but it's an exact snapshot of a disk at the particular moment in time. Like say for example, it is a particular state. It's exactly copy of your disk, like everything that is on your disk. It could be files, it could be directories, it could be any different contents, all the metadata, boot sector, everything that comes in that particular disk is in the disk image. So now you must be thinking like what kind of disk can be image. So the disk images can be made from the HDD or the SSD, or it can be the USB drives, the SD cards, and different kinds of partitions. So yeah, so using that you can create the disk images. So it is basically what the disk image is. Now let's start with the challenge. So what I have done is that I have already downloaded the particular file which you have seen here, and I have stored it in the pico ctf disk 01 directory. Okay, so I'll just do ls, so you'll get this file which says disco 1 dd.gz. Now what we have to do is that we have to unzip this file. So for that you will just add this command. Okay, and the file name, so I'll just hit tab and unzip. So now if you do ls, you can find the file which is being unzipped. So now it says .dd. Now what do we understand by .dd? So let's just google it. What do we mean by .dd file? What is it exactly? Because to solve this we need to understand what this file is. Okay, so just a minute. If we do file disco, okay, I'll do tab. So it says DOS MBR boot sector code offset. Okay, then it is in the mkfs.fat, okay, format, and it says sector, it's total this volume greater than 32 fat. Okay, so it's giving a basic understanding of this disk image. And now what we were looking at, like what do we mean by .dd file? So as if you google it, it says that the .dd file is a raw bit for bit disk image file. So it's the disk image file which we saw here. As it is already mentioned, we just had to unzip it. Okay, now what we will do is that it's as it is, as I had explained, that as it is the exact copy of made from your different kinds of hard drives, USB drives. So it gives you the everything that is on that particular disk at that moment of time, right? So what we will do is that if you do cat, you will get some weird kind of data which you won't be able to read. So as you can see, it's just a very huge file. Okay, so if you can see in between, you can find some readable text, right? But it's not completely readable, but in between you can see there are some comments and there are some text that you can read, right? So, as in the task, it is mentioned that can you find the flag in this disk image? So, there is some flag inside this image, disk image, right? So, as we can't manually search it, what we basically do to search for a file is that we do grep command, right? So, give me a minute. But if you do grep directly into this file, would you be able to get anything? So hold on, just let me check the file name. It's disco.dd. Let's see if we can find something. Grep, and we will do, say, Pico, right? My bad. Enter. Oh, okay. Pardon me for this. Binary file matches. Okay, it's just saying it's a binary file. So now which command do we use to search or extract the data, or say the characters or the strings from this particular kind of binary files? So we use strings. So what we will do, we have to write it as strings, and the file name is disco, right? And we'll hit tab, and we have to give a pipe symbol. Then we have to write grep I and the content that we require, which is pico. Okay, so let's see, we have got some stuff. Okay, nothing here, nothing here. Okay, fine. Okay, so see, as you can see, we have got a flag. So let's copy it. Let's see if this works. It probably should work. So copy and just go here, paste and submit the flag. So hooray, you solved this challenge. So we were able to successfully solve the disco 1 challenge from the forensic sections. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and we'll be solving more challenges in the pico ctf playlist. So you can go and check it out in my channel. You can find the playlist, and we'll be adding more of these challenges in there. So yeah, keep watching and have a good day. Bye.